Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then launch the emulator. This saves time. Install the Windows installer or pull the Docker image and run it with elevated permissions so services bind to required ports. Once running, confirm endpoints like https://localhost 8081 and the master key shown in the UI. Make sure developer tools such as Azure Storage Explorer or Data Explorer are available to inspect data. Those tools help you validate operations and speed debugging as you proceed. Now you create the database and a container, pick a sensible partition key and set throughput, manual or auto-scale, because this affects performance and cost. Use the displayed master key for initial SDK setup or generate resource tokens for constrained access. Then run sample CRUD operations from your chosen SDK or via REST to confirm connectivity. Monitor request units and latency in the emulator UI so you understand RU consumption and can adjust indexing or partition choices before moving to production. Finish by importing or seeding data, then validate that documents and indexes behave as expected. Data Explorer and ASCII are quick options for JSON imports. Once testing is complete, export or persist any state you need, then stop the emulator gracefully so files aren't corrupted. If something breaks, check emulator logs and then reset state or recreate the Docker container. Make sure ports are free and no stale processes hold locks. This quick recovery step fixes most local emulator issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.